Hello and welcome everyone to the Community Talk number 11 by EIT Health Germany. My name is Mathis Palm and I am part of the business creation team at EIT Health Germany. Today, I'm joined by Patty Lee, co-founder of Orbith Health. Hello, Patty, and welcome to the talk.
Hi, Mathis. Thanks for having me.
We are happy to have you. Orbith Health is one of two successful startups that have passed through last year's EIT Health Wildcard Program. Wildcard is EIT Health's venture builder. It builds game-changing life science companies. The program attracts talented founders, connects them with our mentors from the EIT Health Network, and invests up to 1.5 million euros in the two most promising companies. Last year, one of those companies was Orbith Health. First of all, congratulations, Patty, for winning the wildcard in 2020.
Thank you very much.
Can you tell us a bit more about Orbith Health and how you convinced the jury?
Definitely. At Orbith, our mission is really to empower patients and enable better access to quality healthcare through digital health so that chronic conditions can be managed more effectively and sustainably. Now, our first solution, NEPTUNE, is an AI-powered digital therapeutics for Parkinson's disease. Using just a smartwatch, it offers continuous and objective symptom monitoring to enable the personalization of treatments for Parkinson's patients. Think of it like continuous glucose monitoring for diabetes care. NEPTUNE is like continuous dopamine level monitoring for Parkinson's care.
That sounds really exciting. Congratulations on these achievements. What is the value that you bring to patients?
So Parkinson's disease is actually a very complex disease. It is also very debilitating. There's no cure at the moment, but with the right drugs, we can help patients maintain the best symptom control. However, each patient responds to medications differently. And as the disease progresses, regular medication adjustment is needed for each individual patient to ensure efficacy. The problem is that doctors can only rely on a snapshot of information they gather during doctor's visits today to make these treatment decision-making. And in general, doctors see the patients every 2 to 3 times a year for about 15 to 20 minutes. And when the patient goes home, the doctor has no insights as to how the patient is responding to the treatment. So it's very difficult for them to optimize the medication. With NEPTUNE, doctors now have a means to remotely and continuously monitor their patient's symptoms. They can see exactly how the patient is responding to each medication being taken and throughout the entire journey of the disease, and tailor drug combination, dosage, and schedule to minimize motor fluctuation and help their patient attain best symptom control. Now, when symptoms are well under control, patients can not only resume normal daily activities, but the potential to prevent falls and hospitalizations. This can really increase their quality of life and giving them back control and the time to spend with their families and simply living the way they want to live.
That sounds great. So what I learned from what you just said is that personalization of treatment is at the heart of your product. Is this a trend that you see translate into other areas of healthcare too?
Certainly. Personalized treatment is not a new phenomenon. With advancements in molecular biology and genomics, drug companies have already moved away from the one-size-fits-all approach because they realize how ineffective and costly it is. And they're developing drugs that are targeted for subgroups of patients, as we can see in the oncology space, for example. But what we are seeing today is that digital health solutions and digital biomarkers are enabling these N-of-1 trials and precision medicine, allowing us to perform health intervention at the level of a single individual. This has a huge potential to shift the paradigm of chronic disease management, making it more proactive, effective, and ultimately sustainable.
Cool. Thanks for these insights. So, as Orbith Health has participated in the Wildcard Program, can you share a bit of your experiences that you made through participating in the program?
For sure. It has been a very enriching experience. The program offers us a lot of amazing mentors to tap into and to be connected with. These mentors don't just give us advice and guidance, but they really challenge us and really ask questions to test our assumptions. The program was also designed to really validate our business model, so making us market ready. We can't be who we are today with the Wildcard program and the mentors that we've met.
Well, that's a great story. Thank you very much. So finally, what is next in line for Orbith Health?
We have very exciting development in the pipeline. And one of the special features about NEPTUNE is that it sits on a smart backend. We've developed our infrastructure in a way to enable collaboration and orchestration with other digital biomarkers and therapeutics for a single patient, because we know that chronic disease patients have a lot of comorbidities. As mentioned earlier, Parkinson's is a complex disease. Besides motor symptoms, you also have non-motor symptoms such as depression, anxiety, or speech difficulty. To offer Parkinson's patients the optimal care and a holistic picture for physicians, we envision partnerships with other digital tools. Those are clinically validated to cater to a single patient. We truly believe that digital health solutions, in order for them to make an impact in healthcare delivery, collaboration is really a way forward. So we really welcome innovators to reach out to us, who wants to work with us to really build a better future for chronic disease management.
Well, thank you very much, and the best of luck for all the things that you have planned in the future, Patty. It was a pleasure having you on the talk today, and we will be looking forward of hearing more about you and Orbith Health in the coming years.
Thank you
very much.
Very happy to be. Thank you.